Grand Rising, YouTube. Grand Rising. It's Friday morning. I'm just out here doing my nature walk. I'm here filming videos. Trees. I love trees, you guys. There's something about trees I love. Um, there's a lot of interesting trees here where I am right now. See these trees here? Look at this big one here. It's huge. I'm just out here getting some fresh air. It's so beautiful today. I think it's going to be gorgeous today, you guys. Yeah. So I just wanted to do a video. I did a couple videos so far. I didn't post them yet, but I will. Just on the outdoors. Just on the outdoors tip today, y'all, because it's so beautiful out here. Yeah, look at this tree, you guys. And then look at this one. I think I showed you guys this one. Back a bit. Yeah, it's a big old tree. Yeah, this area I'm in, it's very treesy. La 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 la. Look at this tree here. Cool. Yeah. Trees. I love trees from when I was a kid. I always used to go and hug a tree. Like I'll go and hug this tree. I'm hugging this tree right now. I love trees. I always just go and hug a tree. Yeah. I just go and hug them. Some of them have like different. Some of them are rougher than others and have like different, I don't know, like stuff on them or something. I don't know how to explain it. Like different. Some of them have a different rough pattern. Like, like a different, and then different, I don't know, just different stuff on them. I go through these ones. I'll show you this tree over here. Is one of my favorite trees from a long time ago when I was young. This one here has a different, well, not this one. Where's that one? Oh, over here. I'll show you. There's another one. Has different textures like this that the trees. Oh, this is it here. This one, it has a smoother texture. Yeah. See this one? This one has like a smoother. It's not as rough as the other ones. This tree, yeah. It's like a different texture. I'm hugging this one. Hi. Yeah. And another one. This one too has kind of like the other one. Surrounded by trees, by earth, nature. Yeah, so this is my video today. Outdoors, you guys. Trees, outdoor nature. I'm gonna do a lot of these videos now. The weather gets better too, y'all. I'm gonna be doing a lot of these videos. I love nature, y'all. I love outdoors. Just been like that since I was a kid. I love outdoors, y'all. Yeah, nature. This is just the start of my day, y'all. This is like the best start to my day, y'all. Like, it just helps me, get into my vibes for the day, do what I gotta do, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, just waiting for this weather. Been waiting for this weather to come out, y'all. Trust me. It's just a nice warm wind, too. It's beautiful. Alright, y'all. You guys have a blessed day. I'm sending you God's highest love and light, YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like the video, share, and comment down below on my video. Comment on my video, you guys. Like the video, share it. Alright, stay blessed, y'all.